Another fucking severe thunderstorm warning. Jesus H. Christ.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Shelby County, northwestern Monroe County, Morgan County, Johnson County, northwestern Bartholomew County, northern Brown County, east central Owen County, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Martinsville, or 15 miles north of Bloomington, moving east at 75 miles per hour.
Wow.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Martinsville, Bethany, Mahalasville, and centered around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Morgantown and Waverly around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bargersville, Princes Lakes, and Trafalgar around 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, New Rutland, Whiteland, and Bogstown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 78 and 100. Interstate 74 between mile markers 102 and 105. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, south central, and west central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Johnson, Monroe, Morgan, Owen, and Shelby.
We do have an area of location just to the east of Kokomo now as the storm continues to move.
The severe thunderstorm warning for